Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. That's fine. This looks good. Did you do all this yourself?
No.
Okay.
I got a buddy who builds everything for me.
You did? Okay. Alphasonic tweeters. Nice. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
My name is Nick. I got 4 Genius 15s on 2 Audio Legions 8500s.
Okay. Nice.
How many?
Four on 2 amps.
Yeah.
What kind of specs and tuning is on this box?
36 is the tuning.
Okay.
I'm probably ain't even going on a quarter on what I'm about to give you.
Oh, you're wired at quarter on right now?
At a half on right now, but I'm on. It's all the way down.
Okay.
All the way down. Because I blow these.
Yeah, that's a lot of power. Yes, sir. What's your alternator or lithium and all?
My alternator is a 370.
Okay.
I got 2 CS 80 amp hour lithiums.
Okay.
And like I said, I follow you a lot.
And what is the meter score? Have you done any kind of burp tests?
This is at 155, but I have 4 Sundown ZV5 Zoom series, about 162.
Oh, so you have another build, or it was in this?
It's in this.
It was in this. Oh, okay. Wait, so you actually used to do like 60s?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, very nice. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Doing
Just the time with a kickstand. Taking a little time to get quick fun. Quicksand. Flag on my ass, no quick run. I was packing on the ground on my way up. Had beef in the streets at the stadium. Ready to show me how to take a cake, bro. Doing that with everything I ever stick, bro. Since I just get time with a kickstand. Taking a little time to get quick Back in the day, man, a nigga had big jeans. Couldn't afford a new bed, I had broke shoes. Couldn't think about the money, I had broke dreams. Outfit was the match of a rap Back in the day, man, a nigga jeans couldn't afford it. I had couldn't think about the money, I had broke dreams. Outfit was the match of a rap scene. I was trying to be fly, couldn't take off. Clothes falling on my ass, lost weight, dog.
Pretty good. It's punchy. You like it punchy, don't you? Yes, sir. Nice job. There we go. That looks really good. I like it. Thank you for the demo, man.
No problem, man. Like I said, I follow you a lot.
What's your name?
I'm Nick.
Nate. Jacob and Nate. All right, thank you, man. Appreciate
No
it.
problem, bro.
Really punchy, I'm sure. And what is the meter score? Have you done any kind of burp tests?
This is at 155, but I have 4 Sundown ZV5 Zoom series about 162.
Oh, so you have another build, or it was in this?
It's in this.
It was in this. Oh, okay. Wait, so you actually used to do like 60s? Oh, okay. Okay, very nice. Can you turn the LED on one more time? I'm gonna come over and look if that's okay.
Oh, you good.
I appreciate it.